Welcome back to Cause 3D. Many of you may have seen behind me in some of my previous videos that I've had this Lord Starkiller helmet just sitting on the shelf. It's been sitting there for months. And I have finally decided that I need some room on my shelves, so I am going to start finishing this project. The file is from the Galactic Armory, and I will link in the description where you can buy that direct from them, or you can contact us because we also have rights to print this helmet. But it's a four-piece helmet, as you can see here in the inside. These ear caps are separate, and as well as the front face there. So I'm going to move over to the sanding area, and I'm going to get started on this thing, and hopefully it comes out good, because this is one that I have been putting off for a while for several reasons, one of which is because the paint scheme on it. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but I'm going to dive in today, and it's time to get this thing finished and down in my collection. So let's get to it. And here it is, the Lord Starkiller helmet. I have to say this really looks good the way this came out. I've got the visor installed now and a very light weathering on this one. I didn't want to go too crazy on it. Some of the ones that I saw, reference photos online, I didn't want to get over the top with it. I wanted to keep it pretty clean, but too clean and it didn't look right. Now I've got it weathered up, might add just a touch more. This actually sat on my shelf for probably about a year and a half, estimating, and I just couldn't find the time to finish it. Turns out it took me approximately, given my video footage, 4 hours probably is what I recorded time to build this thing from start to finish, starting the sanding, the assembly, the painting, everything. 4 hours. So I'm happy about that, and I'm glad that I was able to get this done. So now I can just get it down into my collection and display it. I appreciate you guys joining us today. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. It helps us out tremendously on our YouTube algorithms. We'll see you in the next video.